In this exciting exploration, Hotel Insider invites viewers to discover 7 must-visit attractions and hidden gems in Vilnius, Lithuania. Prepare to uncover history, culture, and contemporary life in one of Europe's most fascinating cities.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
To acquaint oneself with Vilnius at one's own pace, engage in an interactive scavenger hunt, walking tour conducted via mobile application. Participants decipher riddles, interact with significant landmarks, and uncover intriguing facts and legends. Ideal for first-time visitors, couples, groups, families, and children. This activity offers an engaging and flexible exploration experience. Users can utilize the app and integrated maps to traverse 10 key attractions within the city. Upon launching the scavenger hunt tour on their mobile devices, users navigate through the routes by solving location-based riddles located at various stops. Navigate through a picturesque route within the urban landscape, uncovering lesser-known landmarks and exploring 10 essential sites. Acquire foundational knowledge about these locations and share intriguing anecdotes pertaining to the broader context of the city. Download the World City Trail application from the App Store and log in. Proceed with the initial setup by reading the instructions and initiating your journey at the designated starting point. Upon reaching each checkpoint, access exterior and interior photographs, while concurrently gathering comprehensive details about the attraction and engaging with its ambience. Vilnius, a picturesque metropolis, is celebrated for its verdant landscapes and ornate, Baroque architectural marvels, an ancient urban center dating back millennia. Vilnius offers a rich tapestry of historical significance, intricately woven into the fabric of its past and present. This unique heritage is most effectively conveyed by local Lithuanians, who possess a deep understanding of the city's profound history. Embarking on a journey through the heart of Vilnius, one begins their exploration at the historic site of the Cathedral Square, marking the inception of the city over 10 millennia ago. Embark on a captivating day tour from Vilnius, where you will commence at a centrally located hotel. Your journey begins with a visit to the highest Lithuanian church, offering panoramic views of the city skyline. Next, explore the historic Domantai Hill Fortress, adorned with an astonishing collection of crosses, crucifixes, effigies, statues of saints, and patriotic figures, set against the backdrop of its imposing architecture. Subsequently, immerse yourself in Lithuania's rich engineering heritage aboard the narrow-gauge railway line. Starting from the Gediminas monument situated at Cathedral Square, our guided tour commences amidst the historic charm of the Old Town. Upon exiting this ancient district, you shall encounter the former Palace of Concerts and Sports, an imposing structure embodying the architectural legacy of the Soviet era. This unique edifice, constructed during the communist period, once served as a venue for both concerts and basketball matches. Our journey continues along the picturesque riverbank, offering captivating panoramas stretching towards the green bridges. Your journey commences at a centrally located point in Vilnius, whereupon you will be picked up and driven approximately 90 kilometers northward towards Anykščiai. Upon arrival, proceed to explore the towering St. Matthew the Apostle Church, the tallest ecclesiastical structure in Lithuania. Subsequently, immerse yourself into the rich tapestry of local history and culture by visiting various museums and historic landmarks within Anykščiai. These institutions offer insights into the region's past and contribute significantly to its unique identity. Upon arrival at your accommodation in Vilnius, you shall commence your exploration with a visit to the Gediminas Tower, situated within the city's historic district. Subsequently, proceed to Kernave, a significant historical site renowned for its role as the first capital of independent Lithuania, and now recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Upon arrival, engage in a guided tour through 5 hill forts, explore the archaeological museum, and browse through local handicrafts shops. Following this, venture towards Trakai, known for its enchanting castle, perched atop an island amidst serene waters.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.